Congratulations, Ruby Tuesday of Eagle Shadow. Your 7 beautiful, healthy puppies. Born about an hour ago. One's exhausted. And all she has to do is groom after and provide food and nourishment for 7 offspring for the next 6 to 8 weeks. And suddenly, they all go to sleep. 3 boys and 2 girls. Let's see one of these guys. This is the darkest of the puppies. It looks like it anyway. He's just tiny though. Looks like he's got a lot of exotic markings, but virtually all of them fade. The sire is about the same color as Ruby, maybe a little bit lighter red, and he seems to be the genetically dominant one. The puppies will end up turning about that same color, despite looking like a raccoon when they're little. Most of them have a black stripe down their back.